Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. Today we're going to look at one of the most popular grocery chains that I know of. You guys probably shop there or have shopped there. This is Kroger. They own Fred Meyer's back in Oregon. In Nevada, they call Kroger stores Smith's. It still feels like a Fred Meyer's, so I always call Smith's Fred Meyer's here in Vegas. So we're going to take a look at Kroger, who owns Smith's and Fred Meyer's, and their deal to purchase Albertsons actually recently just got denied. So we're going to look at the stock. We're going to look at the chart. We're going to look at financial data points to see if we could sense the stock is going to go higher or lower, and we'll see if institutions and hedge funds are buying or selling for the upcoming earnings today. I do have a little heating pad on my neck because my neck is a little sore. I slept on it wrong. Anyway, let's go ahead and jump on in. Let's go. All right, everybody, we are looking at Kroger, ticker symbol KR. We do have what appears to be a cup and handle right here without the handle. Just looks like a cup at the moment. Let's go ahead and look at the monthly chart. Since if you know me, I like to look at the bigger picture. Very, very strong candle last month, which was February. There are earnings today, so we'll see what's in store. Relative strength is at a 56, which is decent. If it is going to continue its trajectory, it does have some strength to do so. Looks like the momentum, the MACD, looks like it's actually ready to come back up and around this way. You can see it's going down and then ready to make its move up for momentum. Money flow looks like it is in the up direction, and also the relative momentum right here is also in the up direction. All this honestly points to the upward direction. Looking at the EPS, this is good. This is a little wishy-washy, but I mean it's pretty consistent. And then we have our sales here. 2019, 121 billion in sales. 2023, 148 billion in sales. Pretty crazy. Shares outstanding are going down, meaning there is natural accumulation between retail investors and institutional investors, hedge funds, etc. And then, yeah, let's run the numbers here to see what we get for Kroger. So we have 35 billion and 370 million in market cap, plus 1,860 million in income, plus 147 billion 800 million in sales. That's insane. Going down to look at their cash and their debt. Let's look at the quarterly. Okay. Quarterly, so they have 1,725 million in cash. Total debt is 12,763 million. All right. Total assets 51 billion. Total liabilities 39 billion. That is actually really good. Looking back historically, if we go all the way back to 2022, I guess since this is quarterly, it's not that big of a deal, but let's look historically at the annual. So total assets in 2016 was 33 billion, total liabilities was 27 billion. That's a $6 billion buffer and kind of scary. 2017, 36.5 billion to 29.8 billion. That's about a $7.5–8 billion buffer. And if we just fast forward to today, it's a $10 billion buffer. So their assets and liabilities are separating. We want to see assets go up, liabilities go down. We're going to go back up and divide this by our shares float. This is a dividend paying stock, and I don't usually incorporate a separate calculation for dividends, but let's divide this by 713,990,000. That's billion. So this is showing a $243 price, which is insane. All that says to me is this could go higher. It could, but I do want to point out one of my older observations that I'm going to show you guys. So Kroger's institutional ownership is 83%. That's old data. New data shows institutions own 89.4%. So that is a 6.42% increase. So that is good for Kroger. It means institutions have been buying. So that all looks good. However, look how long it takes for the stock to expand. So literally the stock was $41 back in December 2015. Fast forward to October 2022 and the low got to $41. All right, and let me just go ahead and show you observation number 2. Every time Kroger gets a new high, it consolidates for almost 10 freaking years. Not consolidates at a lower level, but essentially trades up and down within that box for 10 years. So looking at our latest high, which was back in when is this? April of 2022, about a year ago. We're 1 year into this long-term consolidation, so I think we could see 49 to 62 to 49, kind of like it's done historically. Right now, I had drawn this Fibonacci arc, and I guess we can just cover it really quick. You can see I took the latest low prior to the highest high. This is our latest low. So here's our highest high, and the latest low was all the way down here. Yeah. So yeah, this is our first low. Okay. So anyway, look at this Fibonacci arc right here. You can see this outer ring gets tested once, twice, 3 times, and then the candles break up. The middle ring gets tested once, twice as resistance, comes up, support. This very inner ring gets tested a couple times, 1, 2, 3, resistance, and then the stock goes up, and then we have support, breaks through, breaks up, support, resistance, and now I think we're just going to be trading in this area for some time. And considering that the Albertsons deal did not go through, it might just, stay in this pattern. That's my observation, though. You tell me what you think, but I think Kroger is it's a long-term solid one if you just want to park cash, honestly. I would wait because I think we could get lower to this rectangle like we have historically. The last rectangle we had here was the last high breakout, and then it went from 20 to 42 to 20 to 32 to 20 to 41 and onward. So yeah, and then before that, here it all is in true artistic fashion. So again, all-time high, consolidation for 10 years. All-time high, consolidation for 14 years. All-time high, consolidation, all-time high, consolidation. So let me know what you guys think. If you made it this far, consider subscribing, hit the like. If you do own this one, good luck. If you are waiting on the sidelines, good luck as well. Have a great day. Bye.